Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Day after day, I'm more confused. So I look for the light in the pouring rain.
We rent electric bikes and make a tour through Porto Santo. We are making a lot of new friends, having a lot of parties, and wave goodbye to fellow sailors.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Did you guys catch that? Puxa. Ah, então tá dando a diferença.
Big fish.
Esse não.
It's not that big. Big fish.
Já fui de esforço.
What's
Fucking hell.
fucking hell? What's his name?
That's a big son of a bitch. Want a hand?
No problem. Espera.
Oh, dois para já.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Jesus, that's a big fucking fish.
It's not big.
That's not big.
More babies.
Okay. It's um bebê.
Bebê.
Bebê. Não é, Felipe? Não, bebê.
Little babies.
Vá, levar isto, vá.
In the back.
Já vamos chegar a carrinha para a frente. Dá ali nos olhos. Vamos embora.
And another baby. Just with a little boat. After 4 days of storms from the south. Being locked in the boat. The most of the sand of the beach is gone. But it's slowly coming back. On the pier.
The pier.
On the pier. The blue water.
Clear blue water.
So the beaches are coming back. There's the marina. We rented some bikes, e-bikes.
Yeah, nice beach here.
Yeah, here's still sand.
Probably where all the sand came to.
Yeah. Rock.
Yeah.
Nice view here. So quiet. Yeah, here in the background. Resting place. We've got a barbecue here. You can make a party here. Well-deserved lunch.
Yeah. We're going to need the energy to get it back. The batteries are probably going to die.
All the way over that corner over there, then we went over there to the corner, then we went through here, all the way over there, up there, to the Porto Santo.
We have met a lot of people here in Porto Santo and made many new friends. Typical of sailors, everyone is helping each other with haul-outs and boat jobs. These tasks usually end with drinks and parties together.
There's a party.
We celebrate our wedding anniversary at the bar in the marina. Then we have birthdays and other reasons to celebrate. When there is no reason to party, we will make a reason, like it is Tuesday or Friday. These gatherings occur mostly on someone's boat. When there are too many people, we will move to the bar. People come and people go. Another fact of life as a cruiser. This also gives a reason to have a until the next time party. With loud horns, we are waving goodbye. Some people like this island so much that they have been here for over a year and may never leave. We also know people who have bought a house and are renovating it. They are planning to stay here for the rest of their lives. Life is good here.
Free my soul, I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
Free my soul, I wanna get lost in your rock and roll.
I never left you all through our lives.
Give me the beat for to free my soul.